Welcome, Olympic sports fans. We've got perfect weather conditions here today at the mountain as we prepare for the start of our big air competition. The U.S. snowboarders are known for medaling in this sport, aren't they, Nathan? Yes, they are. Let's quickly catch our fans up on what this sport is all about. Snowboarders launch off a big jump area and complete tricks on their snowboard. They're definitely trying to get a lot of air under them. Riders are going as high as possible and traveling a far distance, too, while performing their tricks. Watch today for flips, twists, turns, because that's what big air is all about. You're right, Andrea. Don't forget their goal is to stick the landing and stay on their feet. Avoiding wipeouts will be key for the competitors today. We are hoping to see some of the best 1080s, backside 1440s, and double corks in the air. Without performing those tricks to perfection today, it will be difficult to medal in these Olympics. We are excited for our young, talented snowboarders. Let's focus on the top U.S. men and women riders and check in with the Olympic snowboarding coach. Welcome, Coach Jordan. Thank you very much, Nathan. Our group of snowboarders appear to be the best team the U.S. has ever put together. We have several women with the X Game experience, and Jamie Anderson, our Sochi gold medal winner in slopestyle, is now competing in big air in these Olympics. The girls' team is especially talented. But we also have high hopes for the young, talented men's snowboarders. Let's talk about a few.